Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Open the Friends menu and locate the Create Squad button at the top. Tap Create Squad and choose a clear name that reflects your play style. Set privacy to invite only or public depending on your needs. Invite 4 teammates to complete a full 5-player squad immediately. Use direct invites or send codes in your group chat for faster acceptance. Confirm everyone sees the squad tag and ready status before closing the menu. Lock the squad if you want to prevent accidental replacements. Start by assigning 1 tank, 1 support, 2 core carries, and 1 flexible offlaner. Discuss early game roaming, mid-game objective control, and late-game teamfight responsibilities. Choose heroes that complement each other and cover wave clear plus crowd control. Plan drafting priorities and specific counterpicks before entering the match lobby to avoid confusion. Allocate farming patterns, jungle timers, and lane swap signals among the 5 players. Confirm who buys wards, recalls, and teleport items during longer matches. Establish voice chat or a reliable third-party call before starting ranked matches together. Share basic item builds, summoner spells, and power spike timings so everyone knows the plan. Agree on ping meanings and a single shot caller to reduce conflicting commands. Set simple tilt control rules and a quick timeout method for resolving disputes. Decide on post-game review habits, such as watching replays or highlighting mistakes. Keep communication concise, positive, and focused on objectives during all phases of play.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.